Halo, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I want to make a video about how to buy pre-sale of Bitcoin Legend event. So check it out, guys. The first step we need is we have wallet before to buy a pre-sale event, and we must have asset on Ethereum. If we do not have asset, then we can deposit on it from the local exchanger in your country. If you do not know how, you can choose Ethereum and receive it here. This is your trust wallet, and this is your Ethereum address. You can find it from your own trust wallet. Okay, after after you deposit on it, then we go to the website of Bitcoin Legend. The website is bitcoinlegend.org, and choose a pre-sale here and copy the pre-sale address. After copy it, back to the trust wallet and go to the Ethereum coin, choose it and choose a send. Put the Bitcoinlegend PreSale address here and amount of Ethereum you want to buy, you want to order it. For example, is the minimum buy order is required 0.1 Ethereum, and the maximum limit to buy is 10 Ethereum. So if we read on the website Bitcoin Legend, 1 ETH you will got around 20,000 Bitcoin Legend token. So it's free to you how much you have Ethereum, and how much you will order is up to you, bro. For example, I will put here 1 ETH, then push continue. And also we need to pay the gas fee that is happen with each transaction you made. So the gas fee is around 0.01. It's around $10 gas fee you need to pay. No matter how much you buy, 10 ETH or 0.01 Ethereum to buy, the gas fee is still same, around $10. Network fee is around $10. After you transfer it, in the below tab here, the below tab, you can buy it, process it. After your transaction success, go back to your wallet and sit here in the top corner right, search Bitcoin Legend. If you cannot find like this on your wallet after you transfer your Ethereum, go to add the custom token and input the Bitcoin Legend smart contract. Go to the website back, go to the top. This is the smart contract of Bitcoin Legend. Copy this. After copy it, smart contract of Bitcoin Legend. You can find it on Bitcoin Legend website. After copy it, we go back to the Trust wallet and put in the contract address here. So this is a token wallet of Bitcoin Legend. You will receive it. Done. And ta-da! This is a token Bitcoin Legend of wallet. The token you buy, you order it, will come in here. We go to the mine pick and you can see Bitcoin Legend is listed here. Okay, after transfer Ethereum, you will receive Bitcoin Legend. It's automatically transferable after you transfer or make a order. Okay, you can apply this on MetaMask wallet or other wallet you have. So only this, what can I do for you guys? Hope you enjoy and have enough money for participate the Bitcoin Legend airdrop and pre-sale event. So have a nice day, good luck, and please subscribe and like and comment my channel video guys. Thank you, good luck, and Bitcoin Legend to the moon. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.